Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 4X, and today I will show you how to transfer photos, videos, or any kind of other file from the device to an SD card and vice versa. So to get started, you want to open up the Files or Explorer app right here. So, and then let's go into the storage itself. So you'll see that we're right now in the internal storage, which is the phone's storage. And hopefully, yep, we can change it to SD card as well. Right here, if you tap on that little arrow. But to transfer photos, see if there are right here, there is a screenshot. So if you're trying to transfer photos or video, they will usually be located under the TCIM folder, which will basically be created automatically on both the internal storage and the SD card as well. And whatever it's set, it will save the photos to that location. So for me, it's right now on the device, so I can tap on here and select the photo by just holding it like so. And I have the option to cut it, or should also have option to copy it. Let's see if it's right here. There it is, copy. So I can select either one of them. I can also select multiple photos by just tapping on them if I would have more. Or if you have more than you wish to tap on, then you can just select the entire folder like this and basically do the same thing. So I'm just gonna keep the folder selected, and then I'm gonna tap on more and select copy. And from here you get a choice where you want to copy it. So it gives me the SD storage or the internal storage. So if I would choose the internal storage, I wouldn't really move it anywhere. It would still be on the phone. So I'm just gonna select the SD card, and from here I'm just gonna copy it directly to the main directory of the folder. So just tap on more, and should be somewhere, oh there it is, paste. Right here is the first button. And you can see that there are now screenshot, and then there is the image that was in the folder. So like I said previously, you can do that for any other file. It doesn't need to be a photo, it can be video file, some kind of Word file, or anything else. As long as you can find it in the phone, you can basically move it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.